Let me show you how you can easily bulk print invoices using your own customized template. This is the one I've created for this example, and you also have the option to generate it using AI. So right now my template is ready to be used, and I have my data stored like this in an Excel file. Each row here represents a page that I want to print. So the first thing I have to do is to load this file. So I click here on load data. I look for it, and this is the name. So once it is loaded, I can click on it, go to link data, and click here on name, which is the header name for that column. I will do the same thing now for the account number. Same thing for the address. And then for the city, state, and zip code, which I have on this last column right here. Then I also have the due date and the invoice date. And now I'm ready to bulk print all the invoices. I click here, export as single PDF, and I get this file with all of the invoices.